Welcome back to Word of Wonders, your daily dose of easy English. Today's word is going to be short, smart, and super simple. Today's word is brisk, spelled B-R-I-S-K. Brisk means quick and active or energetic. Like, if you take a brisk walk, it means you're walking fast and full of energy. She took a brisk walk every morning to stay fit. Here's a trick to remember it. Brisk sounds like biscuit, and if you're super hungry, you'll walk briskly to get that biscuit. Fast and full of energy. So today's word was brisk, quick, active and energetic. Try using in your own sentence. Hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for your daily word and don't forget to keep your English brisk and bright. Bye.